So here today we're going to test a couple of bags of nacho cheese. The bags here, they're pretty thick plastic, two different sizes, one a little bigger than the other. The setup we're going to use here today is what we call our KBC or Kenos bag cup. Inside this extrusion here are a set of we have 4 MIDI SI32-3 coax cartridges inside. So you have compressed air going in, vacuum is generated inside the chamber, and then vacuum flow is directed to the bottom of this cup here. And what happens is the bag comes and seals against the inner ring here, and able to allow you to lift and move the bag. And it's in an application where suction cups may not be able to do it due to the weight of the bag. This one's about 5-6 pounds, and this one's maybe 3 to 4 pounds. It's a little bit smaller, but definitely it would be difficult to lift with cups as the product is liquid and moves around, and we want to release from the cups. So what we'll do is go ahead and just turn this on. We have it connected to a vacuum gauge here to see kind of what vacuum levels we're getting in the gripper. We do have a decent amount of flow. We have about 48 SCFM of vacuum flow through the gripper, so we should be able to pick this bag up no problem. We'll start here in a larger bag. So as you saw there, we were able to lift the bag. We're dropping it a little bit. So I'm going to turn it over and try to reorient the gripper. The bag cup this one may be a little large for this bag. We do have one that's slightly smaller that would possibly do better. Just because as the bag sucks up, it wants to pull almost past the bag, and then you have an introduced leakage and a weak point there in the grip. So we'll do that, lift this bag again, kind of orient it almost perfectly in there, trying to maximize how even the bag is on the cup, and then we'll move on to the smaller bag. You do see there's a ring there where the bag is sucked up into the cup, but as you push that down, that ring disappears. So if these are being stacked, being stacked into a bag and box or something like that, you wouldn't have to worry about that ring being permanently up. That's just from the material itself in the bag holding the shape of the bag. So now move on to the smaller bag here. And go ahead and turn this on. You do have a little bit of leakage here. This cup's a little too big for this bag. You saw that the character's bag, we're trying to suck it up into the gripper a little bit too much, indicating this cup is a little bit too large. So sizing a gripper a little bit smaller for both of these bags would be ideal, and this would be the ideal solution for that as well.